Alright, do a somersault. Woo! Close one. Try again. Woohoo! Good one. Want to do one more?
Can I do one more?
Sure.
Okay.
Whoops. Try again.
Try again. I'm going to do a somersault over here, somersault.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nice somersault, Sam. Good job. Ava, you do another one.
Okay.
Whoa, try one more.
Okay. Hey, Mama.
Nice one. Can you do one more?
Can I do more?
Sure. Remember, you were doing it downstairs and you weren't putting your hands down. You were just going over. Nice one. Whoa.